Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are well. This video is for class 5 students. Today we are going to discuss about a poem, and the name of the poem is Bird Talk, and this is lesson number 3. Dear students, before we start our class, let's go and discuss something very amazing. Now, I am going to show some pictures of birds. Can you tell the name of these birds? Okay, children, let me help you. This is pigeon. This is parrot. This is Asian quail. This one is robin. This is peacock. And the last one is crow. Now, let's think this. Do you think birds have family? Yes, like man and other creatures have, birds also have their own family. And whom? Is not it interesting question? Now, tell me, do you think birds can talk? What is your answer? Yes or no? Look, my dear students, birds cannot talk exactly we do, but they can talk and communicate among themselves in their own way. Do you want to know how? Please watch this video. Hope you understood. Now, last question. Have you seen people flying in the sky like birds? Is not it an interesting question? Remember, people cannot fly exactly like birds do, but people can fly in the sky using various modern equipment and technology. Here is how. Please look at these pictures. Now let's read the poem aloud. I am going to read the poem aloud and you all listen it attentively. Okay? Let's start. Things said the robin, things said the joy, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow, they don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the joy, aren't people funny to be that way? Are you enjoying? Okay, let's do it again. Think, said the robin, think, said the joy, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow, they don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, say the robin, think, say the joy, aren't people funny to be that way? Hope you are enjoying. Now watch this video, which will help you to recite this poem better.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think, think, think. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think, think, think. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, think, think. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
Hope you like this video. Now I would like to wind up this class with homework, as I always do. Homework is try to read and recite the poem loudly. Okay, my dear student, that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you.